In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your voice chat and mic's not working in GTA 5 Online. So, the first thing you want to do is press start if you're on controller or escape on your keyboard and navigate over to settings. And we're going to go to voice chat. Now, you want to ensure voice chat is toggled on. And if you scroll down under talking, ensure your microphone's enabled. And if you're on PC, make sure you're on the correct input device. And you want to ensure that your microphone volume and sensitivity are both turned up. Now, if it's working, you should see this volume bar moving just beneath microphone enabled. And if not, the next thing you want to do is have a look if you're using a headset mic, for example, and ensure that it's toggled on the actual headset. Now, what you want to do is open up the interaction menu. Now, to do this on Xbox, you want to press and hold the view or select button. On PS4 and PS5, you want to press and hold the touchpad. And on PC, you want to press M on your keyboard. Then what you want to do is scroll down on the interaction menu and select preferences. And from here, you want to scroll down to voice chat and ensure this is on everyone. You can also customize it to be crew, friends, crew and friends. Just make sure it's not on no one. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.